Welcome to Reviews Heaven. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen, chopping, mixing, or grilling? Well, get ready to meet your new best friends. You will be introduced to the top 5 unique kitchen gadgets that will make cooking easier and more enjoyable. These little lifesavers are here to transform your cooking experience. These must-have gadgets are designed to improve your culinary skills and elevate your everyday cooking experience. From slicing veggies into art to grilling like a pro, we've got it all. And the best part? We've made it easy for you. All the product links are in the description box below. You can check them out. So, grab your coffee or a spatula and let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. The Essential Food Chopper. First up, the food chopper. Ever feel like you spend more time crying over onions than cooking? This gadget is your hero. It slices, dices, and chops everything from tomatoes to carrots in seconds. Just pop in your veggies, press down, and voila, perfectly chopped ingredients. For busy cooks, it's a game changer. No more endless chopping. You'll save time and avoid those knife mishaps. We've all been there. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Imagine making salsa or a hearty stew without the hassle. This chopper turns meal prep into a breeze. Who knew chopping could be this fun? Number 2. The magic of the Spiralizer. Next on our list is the Spiralizer. Fancy some zucchini noodles? This gadget turns your boring veggies into edible art. With its handy attachments, you can spiralize zucchini, carrots, and even potatoes into noodle-like wonders. It's perfect for health-conscious folks or anyone wanting to add some pizzazz to their plate. Craving curly fries or veggie pasta? Boom, done. The Spiralizer makes eating veggies feel like a gourmet experience. And let's face it, who wouldn't want a twirl of zucchini noodles instead of plain old salad? It's healthy, delicious, and a little bit magical. Number 3. The Instant Pot. Your all-in-one kitchen hero. Now, let's talk about the Instant Pot. This gadget is like a kitchen Swiss Army knife. It does it all. Pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, and even making yogurt. Yes, yogurt. Imagine throwing in some rice, veggies, and chicken, pressing a button, and having dinner ready in minutes. It's perfect for busy families or anyone who loves convenience. Plus, it locks in flavors like a pro. Soups are richer, meats are juicier, and your kitchen smells amazing. Honestly, it's like having a chef in a pot. The only downside? You might start eating more because it's just too easy to cook. Number 4. The Ultimate Baking Companion. The Stand Mixer. Bakers, brace yourselves. The Stand Mixer is here to save your arms and your sanity. This powerhouse mixes cookie dough, whipped cream, and kneads bread dough with ease. Ever tried stirring a thick brownie batter by hand? Exhausting, right? The Stand Mixer takes over the heavy lifting. It's like having a personal assistant for your baking adventures. Plus, it's super versatile. From fluffy meringues to pizza dough, it's got your back. Trust me, this gadget will make you feel like a baking superstar. Just be warned, it might tempt you to bake way too often. Number 5. The game changer for grilling. The Grill Press. Calling all grill masters. The Grill Press is your new secret weapon. Tired of uneven grill marks or burgers that stick to the grate? This gadget's got you covered. Place it over your steak, sandwich, or veggies, and watch it work its magic. It presses evenly, ensuring perfect grill marks and juicier results. Oh, and it helps your food cook faster, too. Want cafe-style paninis at home? Done. This little tool will have you flipping burgers like a pro in no time. Who needs a fancy grill when you've got the Grill Press? So, there you have it. The top 5 kitchen gadgets you didn't know you needed. From the food chopper to the Instant Pot, these tools make cooking easier, faster, and a lot more fun. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below for you to check out. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing kitchen tips and tricks. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling, and remember, great gadgets make great meals. See you in the next video.